Tide Pods has been trending recently, and people have been trying to make slime with it. Yeah. And I actually tried to make a giant Tide Pod slime, and it did not work. It was horrible, so I thought, you know what? Maybe we should try the other detergent pods, because today's cheesy pickup line is, are you glitter? Because you're pretty fine. Get it? So shout out to Queen Bridget for that. Make sure to comment down below your cheesy pickup lines, and we will also give a shout out if we pick you, so yeah. And today's like what challenge gonna be, try to press the no. Try to press the like button with your nose. Can you guys do it? Can you do it? If you are able to do it, make sure you call the little hashtag I did it, and let's get straight on into video. Yo. Alright, so my first Tide Pods, not Tide Pods, but detergent pods I'm gonna try out is the Great Value ones. So here's how it looks. It is Original Clean Ultimate Fresh Laundry Pack. Oh, whoa, it actually smells like Tide. I don't know why. Okay, so we're gonna use some white Elmer's glue. If you guys want me to redo this video with clear glue, comment that down below. But I'm gonna use white glue for this one, so I'm just using the white Elmer's glue. We're gonna put that much, cause I've seen somebody on Instagram, they did activate the slime with Tide Pods, but like it took a lot, so I'm only gonna do a little bit. Okay, so a really cool thing, guys, is to literally just put the Tide Pod in the slime like that. Once you put the Tide Pod in any other liquid, it just automatically starts weakening, and then you can pop it. It is so satisfying, so I'll show you right now. I can feel it starting to weaken. Okay, I think it's gonna pop. It is so satisfying. If you guys have Tide Pods, make sure you try it out. It is crazy. Okay. Okay, so it seems like it's working. Okay, do you guys think it's gonna work? I feel like this one might work. Oh my god, is it gonna work? No way! Guys, I think it's working. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put like 5 more pods into there just to make sure. Maybe it needs a lot like in the Instagram video, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I got a bowl of water so that I can kind of like make this weaker, faster, I feel like. Okay, let's do this again. It seems like it's getting worse, honestly. Oh my god, guys, I want this to work so badly, but whatever. Anyway, so I'm gonna put 3 more pods. Okay, all right, is it working? Is it working? Is it working? Oh my god, do you guys see that? Like, it's still staying. That was so weird. Last Tide Pod, guys. That one didn't even pop, it just kind of came out. Is there even any glue in here anymore? Okay, guys, well, this one did not work. Comment down below if you think I should like do another one where I add like a lot, but I don't know, it just doesn't really even seem like it's glue anymore. It kind of like looks like if you put a bunch of Insta Snow or like diaper slime in here, and yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, kind of looks like a slushy. But anyways, this one did not work. Let's try in the next pod. The next one I'm gonna try is Tide, and this one is different. It's not the one that I tried already. This one is free and gentle, and I actually bought these thinking that they were clear, but then I realized that they're actually white. So yeah, that sucks, but we're still gonna do it. Okay, got fancy opening thingy, smanchy mancy, something like that. Okay, I can't open it. It's a child lock. It's a child lock.
A few moments later.
Oh, I did it. I did it. Okay, that hurts your fingers like crazy. I don't like the child lock. Okay, so here they are, guys. Here's how they look. They kind of look like a bunch of like melted ice creams. Gonna put some glue, just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna put glue in this one. I'm just gonna add the, ooh, that looked gross. It looked like a pimple. Okay, so I'm just gonna add big pack, and then I'm gonna add the other one if it doesn't work. Is it working? Is it working? This kind of happened on the other one, so I don't know. No, it activates like for a little bit and then it stops. It's so annoying. Okay, I'm gonna add another big pack. Oh, it looks so cool. It kind of looks like condensed milk. Is it working? Is it working? Yes, yes, is it working? Wait. It globs up, guys. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the small little packets now and see if that helps. Let's see, okay. Okay, let's mix this, guys. Do you think it's gonna work? No. I feel like it works better without the 2 pods on the top. Okay, from now on, I am only gonna put the big pods, all of them, and then I'm gonna put all the other pods if I need them. Anyways, this one did not work at all for me, so let's try the next one. Next one is OxyClean, guys, and this one I'm actually really excited for because it has like, in one of the pods, it has 3 different pods in this one, and one of the pods seems like it has powder, and I wanna see if that would do anything. Let's open it. My fingers are so slippery now. Please tell me there's not. There's a child lock, guys.
One eternity later.
I'm done with this. I'll show you who's a kid. Okay. Ooh, these ones are cool. Look at them. All right, Tide Pod, you better step up your game. I don't know if you guys can see right there, but there's like powder detergent in there, and I really want to try that, so we're gonna try it. Let's put a little bit of glue. I'm gonna start putting a little less glue because I feel like that will be better. We're gonna put purple. I feel like it's probably gonna turn into a horrible color, but you know, whatever. Let's start squeezing. Which pod should I squeeze? Squeeze. Okay, I'm gonna put the blue one. I mean, at least try, I guess. Okay, it went out the other side. Okay. Is it gonna work? Yes, 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 yes! Yes! Come on, it has to work. I'm just gonna try and cut this with the scissors. Maybe that's better. All right, let's mix. Yes? Yes? No? Okay, well that didn't work. I'm gonna start putting the green pods now. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add the green pod. This one is completely falling apart. And then this one right here. No, it got on me. Let's mix. No. Okay, now we're just gonna basically put the powder. That is so cool, look at it. It's like slime already. Okay. So let's put the powder. It's probably gonna ruin it, but you know, who cares? These are the coolest thing ever, the powders. Guys, it's not working. This is making me so mad. Okay, all right, this was a fail. This was a fail, guys, and it did not work, so let's try the next one. Maybe it'll work. Okay. Next one. I'm not even gonna try. I see that child lock right there. Cut right there. What you think about me now, my child? So this next one is Arm & Hammer, and it is OxyClean. This one is like a collab of Arm & Hammer and a OxyClean. So yeah, this is the same thing. Ah! You know what? We're gonna take this as a little experiment, and we're gonna go ahead and put a lot of this. Okay, we're gonna put a lot. So this time I'm gonna put a teensy bit of the glue. So that much, literally. Okay, so we're gonna put the blue one on. Whoa. Okay, now let's see who won't activate. No way! Is it gonna activate? Guys, I think it's activating. Okay, it turned into a Joe, so I'm not giving up right now. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. No! It just turned into a bunch of like Joe. Okay, let's see. Let's see who won't turn into slime now. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Are you kidding me? Okay, well this didn't work, guys. I made a mess everywhere, and yeah, okay, we're gonna try the next one, I guess. Whatever, I don't even care. Next one, guys, is Gain, and this one is called Gain Flings. I don't know if that really matters, but yeah. So I'm just gonna do what I did last time. I'm gonna put the big pods first, and then I'm gonna continue, and you guys will see. But I am gonna go ahead and put like only a teensy bit of glue. Okay, so got my first one. I'm gonna put the purple stuff. Okay, that's good. We're doing good. Okay. Maybe the problem is, guys, is that we need more glue. Maybe we're putting too much Tide Pod. Did you ever think about that? Okay, we're gonna put some more glue because it works at the beginning, but then it just falls apart again. So maybe we're putting too much Tide Pod. No. No! Okay, we're gonna put some more Tide Pod. Tide Pod. No! Okay, this is just plain out detergent now, and it is terrible, so that didn't work either. Okay, this makes me sad, guys. Last last one. Hopefully it works. So this one is all with stain lifters. So this one is just all of them combined. I'm just kidding, but it's called all. These look awesome! Let's pierce the green stuff. Let's see, maybe we're putting too much Tide Pod. I'm gonna put the rest of the Tide Pod in there, and we're only gonna put that much Tide Pod. We're gonna see what happens. Yes, yes. No, okay. My Tide Pod is falling apart. Okay, we're gonna add the blue one now. Okay, so I have the powder inside the little pod, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in water and see if I can make some type of borax solution with it. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. Don't judge me. Okay, let's see. Yeah? No? No! More glue. Ta-da! Slime! No, okay. Alright, that was terrible. Okay, well, these did not work at all, but I have one more thing I'm gonna do, guys. It is gonna be a bonus round. I'm gonna get all of my Tide Pod creations, my detergent pods, and I'm gonna put them in this bowl, and we're gonna see if we can make some slime. Hopefully, some weird chemical reactions are gonna happen, but whatever. Let's start. Okay, so we're gonna start mixing that together. Hopefully something will happen. Yes? No? No! Why? Anyways, this did not work, guys. You guys comment down below if you want me to do anything else. Like maybe you want me to do with clear slime. I kind of really want to do with clear glue because I feel like clear glue will do something else. But I don't know. Anyways, you guys comment down below your video suggestions and make sure to do your cheesy pickup lines. It's gonna end in a little bit, so yeah. So make sure you put your comments down below. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!